Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon. Currently it's 12:19 and it's week of the days 27 to 31 and I'm currently home in CDO, and as you can see, ganito pa rin yung suot ko. Don't judge me because I have it laundried. Palaba ko siya. And then right now I'm just working and reviewing all the manuals and curriculums that my colleagues are sending para naman productive ang ating day. So this is what my current situation looks like, and I have here a small table lang because, as you know, I don't live here always anymore. And yung maleta ko from my business trip is andito pa sa gilid. Because I went here immediately. Dito ako nagpa-land. And now, I'm thinking if I should buy coffee. Kasi gusto ko talaga ng kape. Maybe let's get some coffee. Guys, finally, naanak ko yung coffee. I got it from the Bowerbird. Grabe ka guys. Grabe ka saba akong aircon. Well, that served as my brown noise na sad. I'm so sorry. Not high enough for it. But here's the coffee from Bowerbird. I got their Spanish latte from the Bowerbird. Ayan. I'm so happy good always pag napag CDO guys. Kay very accessible to all. And then, dili lisod akong life. Unlike, di man sa lisod akong life in Davao. Pero alam mo yun, doon si Lolo, tapos mga din siya sa Banagatan.
Banagatan, sige kagutbag, pinakalang.
Pag ato dyan mo sa NC, sa yung or sa Dubai. Magtabo mo sa amo, kuan mo ko'y magdala mo ganoon.
Uy! Kami tabuon, di ba dalat pagkaon?
Nabuap na. Pwede naman na magkaon sa dalan. Kasi nasa veg. Rin ang mulula guys. Dili itiniaga. Palang kaon guys. Bulad ra daw ni.
Mag-dropping na may ekip.
Itong mga artista. Uy, lo, wala pa gani. Gausa masyado. Bye!
Hello! Tag from Dubai. Isa ba? Itag lang ni.
Itag lang ni.
Tag lang ni. Muragib ma. Bye! Bye! Mga OFW.
Magkatawa.
Ignorance of the law. Food park. Let's go home. Finally home, guys. What a very busog kay ko. And dagan kay mga calls along the way. Work calls. Panawro tong kape. But I won't finish that na. Hindi na ako nahot doon. Kay ako na po dayan ang magdisod og tulog. Good morning, guys. the same pantulog that I wore yesterday. I think from all of my videos, ito yung nakikita nyo suot ko. But guys, nilalabahan ko siya. And it just so happened na if mauga siya, I will wear it all over again. Because it's that comfortable. Currently, it's 8:29. Nagising ako sa email ng boss ko. Naka-comforter pa ako, guys. And ang sarap pa ng tulog ko. But then, I'm in a work from home setup. So, I have to keep going also with everything, no? Hello, guys! So, it's currently 4:23 p.m. and me and my cousin will go to a coffee shop to work. I don't know how people balances everything kasi ako on my part napakahirap na eto, may mga stocks ako here because these are the things that we will be giving our entourage and our principal sponsors in general on our wedding day. I will make another video about this soon. But yeah, I don't know how people do that. Hindi ko siya siguro more practice pa of time management. So, I have coordinator naman, but iba pa rin kasi talaga yung hands-on ka. Especially ako, na I'm more sanay or anad kay ko na magpaka-hands-on when conducting such activities, no? So, yeah, I will leave and surrender everything to our Almighty and, of course, have trust in our coordinator kasi magaling naman talaga sila. So, ako na lang, I just have to chill and do my work, no? Kaya na pa man tayo trabaho outside of this whole situation thing. So, I just need to find that balance. So, now, since ganina, naamo ko yung mga gipang buhat na personal and wasn't able to fully spend the 8 hours in working my work, no? Sa akong trabaho. So, I have to bawi. And this afternoon, my cousin and I again will go to a coffee shop and siguro spend the rest of the afternoon until PM dito. So, yeah. Good morning, guys. Today is already Wednesday. Ang bilis ng araw. Bilis ng araw, pero ang tagal ng oras to sa amin. It's really different when you're home. So, my agenda for today, since it's a holiday, siguro mag-work lang ako ng a little bit and then I'll just rest. Or maybe, I will ask my tita to come with me to go to a store and check for boxes because I need to ask my bridesmaids na talaga for proposal for bridesmaids. So, let's do it. Also, I have to look for the men's for Martins kasi kailangan niya na din mag-ask ng mga something for his groomsmen. Let's just fix our bed first. By the way, guys, I'm so happy na nakag-purchase ko sorry sa kalat doon. It's just may maleta. Ka-purchase ko na bed. It's because it's so comfy. One of my challenges before, kaya yung mag-sleep ko nga, grabe kasakit akong likod pag mag-wake up ko. So, I have to look, or I needed to look for a good mattress na dili magsakit akong likod. Kitiming jud na ko, guys, nga. Kitiming na ko nga. Holiday ko nagpa-purchase. Kasi, it's on sale. So, by the way, guys, quick chika lang. Grabe kit kay ang pag-puff sa akong face, no? Ever since I had PCOS. So, as of the moment, I already tried RF lifting first, no? Dili pa na ko kaya nga mag-maintain og mesolipo and or magpa-Jotox. Kaya dili na ko siya ma-maintain gihapon. Pero this time, I already did one session naman. So, di na kayo siya nga nakabogs. Unlike atong nag-go ko sa Manila, maklaro gym mo ang puffiness. No? Hi guys. Done washing up nag-wash lang ko sa akong body. And then, wala na ako nag-wash akong hair. It's because okay pa naman siya. And I feel like madumihan ra gihapon siya because I will be running some errands today with my titas. So, i-help ko nila mag-look for a box para sa akong mga entourage. So, hopefully, dili ra kay kumalista. And I already did inquired to some of the stores here in CDO. So it will take them so much time. So, I'm thinking, what if box na lang gid siya and the simple ribbon will do, and dito na lang dayon ko sa personalized letter magbawi because I wanted it to be more simple and dili na ako magastuhan og ayo because the box alone, if personalized siya, it already costs 200 pesos each. So we have 8 sa mga entourage, so sa bridesmaids and sa groomsmen. So, mamahalan gid siya, no? So, instead of igastoan na ng mga stuff, which is, I don't think na ma-use pa again sa mga people, why not i-allocate na lang na siya nga amount of money to other things, like sa mobile bar, or di kaya, last minute, we will book mobile milk tea something. I don't know. It depends. Basta kay hindi kayo siya nga nakamahal just for that kind of stuff. So, that's the tip. Always stick on your budget. I know it can get very, very overwhelming. Especially if nana mo sa part nga grabe daghan na kayo choices. Especially sa mga suppliers. Always stick to your budget, and at the end of the day, inyo man ang wedding, so kamo gyapon na masunod. Ayan, nara din siya na angle ka nang dili mag-zoom in. Anyway, yes, going back. So again, always siya nang stick to your budget because you know, at the end of the day, it's your wedding and wala na yung mga duan ang mga people, no? So it's okay to ask for help and ask for opinion, pero hindi naman kasi sila yung magbabayad, guys, no? So, it's always gonna be between you. Or depende kung sino yung nagsusponsor, but at the end of the day, it's always gonna be you, the bride and the groom, who has to make all the decisions when it comes to the wedding. So, kami personally, ni Martin, hindi kami masyadong, alam mo yun, like, yung mga pabonggahan, hindi. Kung ano lang talaga yung kaya ng budget namin, we will stick to that. And hindi naman kasi kailangan ganun ka bongga. Like for us like we're very, very minimalistic when it comes to like celebrating something. Like even in our anniversaries, nagsi-celebrate lang kami, kumakain lang kami sa labas and stuff like that. Yung mga afford lang. That's the thing. Kung afford, why not? Diba? But, dapat dili dapat ni mo i-limit mo self na giyod ka na super higpit. Like, sakto lang. Balance lang gihapon. Don't be wearing any makeup today kasi maglakaw-lakaw mo yan. Init kayo. Though gloomy, pero init kayo. So far, guys, nag-breakout ko aning mga products from Happy Skin. But I'm not sure. But kasi hydrating siya. Maybe because hapit pa pud ko dugon. I don't know. We'll see. We'll check if mahurot na ko din ang mga products. And then, most importantly, don't forget your anti-UV na fluid. I love this so much. Hopefully, makabay ko ani here. This was gifted kasi to me by Martin's tita. So, I love that it's very lightweight and walay white cast. So, you see? Napagid siya dewy effect. So, love. And as for my outfit, I'm just wearing this plain black shirt and this sage shorts, both from Uniqlo. Actually, Uniqlo. Grabe na ka sa ako, ha? Taga kay kog na yun ang ko na-purchase mo anyway. So, I'm just waiting for my titas to finish preparing. This is just my outfit. And magdala ko mga samples from these things kay para unahon ako ang entourage. Later on na ang mga ninang sa ninongs anyway, na naman sila own boxes nila. All I have to figure out is either katong bag na ingatong na bag or box. We shall see. Going to a coffee shop. Baklay ni guys kay mga rumbab man. Nailami din sila coffee shop. El Vapore. Hello.
Feeling na bonfire out loud.
Guys, finally was able to purchase stuff na for our entourage. So I think that's the time na this week I'm targeting na kailangan makuha na ako ang final decisions, and yes, sa akong mga principal sponsors as well as our entourage availability. It's because kailangan, doon naigna na ako sila virtually, it's nice pa rin to give out small tokens and appreciation for these important people in our lives. So since libot-libot mi kaganina sa Capistrano, natapilok pagid ko guys, as in pinakadanghag to na na-happen sa akong life. Like first time ko natapilok again for a very long time. Yeah, we went to other suppliers as well, and then medyo mahal gid siya, and I'm not willing to gasto that much for a box kasi for me dili siya, alam mo yun, dili siya worth it. So we went to Gaisano Mall, and then my golly, grabe jud ang Gaisano Mall guys, nanagid sila tanan. Nawa nakitaan dito, and then amazing kayo gid siya because good deal, good quality, and napa jud available na mga colors sa ribbon sa among theme. So oh my god, so tonight, since it's still 7:45, I will try to assemble all of the 18 boxes kasi 8 from groomsmen and then 8 from the bride tribe. So we will do it. We will try our best to assemble everything today. So, let's do it. Oh my god, guys. So, update. It's currently 10:59 p.m. and so far, I did all of the boxes already except for the taklog. Still have 1, 2, 3, 5 more takip left to assemble, and so far I am loving hopefully the outcome, kasi nga tinanay ko na yung yung ribbon na lang, kailangan mo lang siyang i-pull down. Wait, M2, ayan, kailangan mo lang siyang i-pull down na ribbon. So this is it. Oh my god. Okay, let me guys show you. Tomorrow na yung the rest of the stuff. But oh my goodness, kasi all you have to do is just to pull down the string, so it will create such ribbon. So tomorrow, i-secure ko to siya or i-seal ko ito siya, and then I will place it here. Oh my god, char OA arte. And since I wanted na to most of these things to be finished tonight, I ordered some chocolate milk. Since I'm in CDO na akong orderan at this hour. So, oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh my god. Since my entourage, like, the bride drive is a combination of two colors, meron pa akong dusty blue nito. And oh my goodness, so far, so good. So I'll be creating another video showing our entourage proposal boxes para naman mas ma-detail ko siya, especially on the cost and konting ideas and tips lang din, so that I can also help my girlies out there who are also planning their wedding this year or probably next year, kasi our wedding is too far, malayo pa kaya yung wedding, but we are trying our best as much as possible. 3 months or 2 months prior to the event, wala na kaming iniisip or wala na kaming gagawin. So now, since I'm here in CDO, I have all the time to do all of these things, kasi in Davao, these things won't fit in my apartment kasi ang liit ng room ko doon. So yeah, I'm very, very excited. So i-build up ko lang yung remaining takip, and then I'm just waiting for my grab order to come and arrive. So far, ayan na. Tumatawag na siya. Wait. Good morning, guys. Today is finally Friday. I wasn't able to vlog yesterday because I did a lot of work since naka-work from home setup ako, no? So I answered so many emails and checked a lot of papers that was sent to me by my colleagues. So currently Friday na, guys, and I will go back to Davao na by Sunday. So hopefully everything will be kind of smooth na. Today is 9:15 a.m. and that's what I like about being home, kay dili jud ko kailangan mag-wake up og super early because they let me rest here sa house, no. So currently nag-check lang ko sa ako ang mga ano tawag ni inbox, especially sa ako ang work account. It's because usually this time of the day na mga updates ang ako mga colleagues ako, like puno jud ang messenger for like inquiries and thoughts about something na ginaplan out nila for the day or for a specific event. So yon, I will just fix my bed and then siguro mag-breakfast ko sa gawas kay para tuloy-tuloy na. Okay, let us cook something, guys. Na may food, but kailangan ko mag-hotdog. My great-great-grandparents. Pailang picture diya. It's treasured by my lola, kay super close sila na akong kana sila. So, akong lola pod is gidako pod siya sa iyang lola. Gets niyo? Cooking it in water first.
Oras mga abot?
Mga earn. Ikaw man ay copy sa ticket.
Lab?
8 man siguro to.
Magpaabot ka sa maghulata sila.
Working here. Outside.
Ilan yung talak? Ilan yung talak? Pero at bang.
Uy! Si Double Chin! Wait. Hey guys. I'm done working for this morning and currently it's 12:56 p.m. And I will give life to our house, no, since it's very hilom and I don't have any kauban for today because my tita will be going to fetch our ilahang parents. Si Lola ug Lolo ilang isundo. Because, gikan sila sa Cebu. And today is their flight back here in CDO. So, ako lang mag-isa. And I won't be going with them because Martin's parents kay nag-invite sila sa ako for dinner. And I don't want naman to decline since talagang po ko here. And anyway, nahatod man sa nako ko Lola and Lolo. And now I will be singing pampasingot before I go ligo. Before guys, sa college ko, mura gid pod ni akong lingaw. Kanta-kanta ko diri sa balay. So let us set it up first. Set up sa nato, no? On ang mga fans, kid super init. Let's sing. Taylor Swift.
I don't think the passenger seat is good to me. He likes to argue, born on the 17th. This is beautiful. He has his father's eyes. Some people live for the fortune. Some people live just for the fame. Some people live for the power. Yeah. Some people live just to play the game. Some people think that the physical things define what's within. I've been there before. Life is a bore so full of superficial. Some people wonder, I don't want nothing at all. If I ain't you, baby, if I ain't you, baby. Some people want diamonds, some just want everything. Everything means nothing if I ain't got you.
Guys, kung kanus ako nag all in, nalobat among mga battery, nawala amang gutong guys, oy, chargeable. Nandugay na sad to siya, so mag-watch na ako karon og incognito since ako lang gid isa mabilin, and then later pa ako maligo, okay? Mag-dinner lagi mi sa family ni Martin. So this is just my life here in CDO, which I really love. Kay I have all the comfort yun sa among house, and makasingra ko, and then quick story time lang guys. Part yun ang singing sa amuang family, and we are very grateful na we have the confidence gid pod to sing. Char. Kaya di naman yun kaya nga nakagandahan ng mga voices, but at least it's part of our life here in CDO. Growing up, my family owns yun a karaoke set ever since ginabata kami guys, and then we are very fortunate that my grandparents are helping us to, or encouraging us to sing. Kaya my lola is also ganahan pag ako lola mag-sing. So growing up, I love singing, I love karaoke. Kay na naman unay kay sa mga guys, unay kay sa house. We own a set, and then ay nag-aayo. Yes. I hope I'm clear. Yeah, so the reason why I came home guys, kay para ma-process na po ang mga need na i-finalize for our wedding. So mo to nakita ninyo nga ang entourage, ako na siyang gihinahinay og ask out, and especially ako among mga na identify na mga principal sponsors anak na dito. So technically guys, I'm just finalizing everything, especially on the list, kahit ang mga visitor or mga invited na mga guests kay dili pa later on na siya, at least nasimulan ko na kung select for example sa invitations, and then ginahinay-hinay na mo og plaster ni Martin ang tanan. Especially sa mga suppliers, no. So kanipod na time, I think it's my way of, since nakaulit man ko atong Christmas and New Year, no, I think this January also is the time for me to clear up my head, because grabe ang pressure ang akong gaka-feel, and I'm really vocal about these things kay dili mo gud siya first time na na-happen na super nagiging ko ka pressure in life, especially when balancing my personal and professional life. So the past few weeks, medyo naka-start na pagko-overwhelm, and I wanted me to refresh, kahit kaka-refresh ko lang from the holiday break, but gusto lang po na ako mag-refresh again, just so that I can, alam mo yun, like mahapsay na ako tanan sa kong utok na okay, this is what I'm doing and stuff like that. Kasi pag na ako sa office, na ako sa center, both physical and mental and mukhang kailangan abdik ka. So, this time, kailangan sa ako kanang stable mentally. Ay ako maka-work on physically. Ngayon siya sa ako ang, sa ako ang mindset. Robot na po. I have to charge this. Thank you guys.